Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. This week, the stocks to watch are probably on the sectors on the short side. As we saw, after coming up on the Dow, kind of failing to get up through the 200, they did kind of a bearish best friend signal, failing at the 200, telling us we were likely heading down to the 50-day moving average, which is about where it moved to on Friday. Still might be some more downside. There's a gap here, there's a gap here. So you can expect maybe some more downside move. The NASDAQ, same scenario, an evening star signal, and then a close below the T-line, making at least maybe the 34 the next likely target. But the assumption should be the T-line rule, which is as long as you're trading below the T-line, you assume the probabilities are greatly in your favor that you're in a downtrend. The strong sectors this week is probably to short the restaurants and the lodging stocks based upon the fear factor that the virus is coming back again. Now, last week, the fry pan bottoms were working fairly well. Obviously, anything that's going to be benefited by the virus, a lot of the biotechs are still acting well. But the lodging stocks like Marriott did a bearish doji sandwich on Friday. Our recommendation was to short if it opened lower, giving us the bearish doji sandwich, or wave 1, wave 2, going into wave 3. Wyndham, same scenario. So you want to take a look at the a lot of the hotel stocks and the casino stocks that rely on people coming in for their rooms. And the restaurants, again, with some reactivation of making sure that your occupancy is back to 50%, where some of them have been up as high as 75%. Notice that CHUY, our recommendation again on this one, was that if it opened lower, giving you a bearish doji sandwich, there was more downside. Starbucks, kind of the same scenario. So as long as these markets continue to trade below the T-line, assume that you're in a downtrend. It may not be long lasting. It might be just down into this area, the bottom of the trend channel. But you probably want to have a number of short positions in the portfolio, as well as existing longs that are going to be affected to the positive side by the virus. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.